here we have Carnival Cruise, and everybody kind of knows, I would imagine, now that they've had their issue with the accident in near Italy and the ship sinking. And you could see it had a dramatic drop in here, as far as the prior day, obviously. But I always think a very interesting thing to try to determine is, can some of this be forewarned? And a lot of people say, well, it's these kind of events. Most of the time, I can understand where people can get that impression, that this can't be forecasted or anything of that way. But I think it's important to understand, when you look through technical analysis, that eventually things start to, that it can go either way. But for the majority of the time, you can get the overall tone prior to this kind of a situation. And I think it's quite simple here. If you're just looking at what we're seeing, it can give you a little bit of a heads up what's going on. First off, there's no doubt, as we look at this chart here, that Carnival Cruise was really in a big downtrend for quite a while. I mean, that's very apparent. Okay, now it tries to rally back. Here's your 100-day moving average. You see it trying to rally back. Well, I don't know why it stopped right here, but we'll investigate that too. Not only do we know that there's a prior low, we could know that that's not, it hit high there and then it gaps down. You could see it dropping dramatically here, and it doesn't create a new low here. So that, everybody can start to get a little optimistic. It tries to rally, but what does it not do? It does not break the prior highs here. And it starts to kind of trend down, and then you see